Good evening. Today we are going to learn about data communication and network. The topic, network layer. First we'll see what are the functions of network layer. The functions of network layer. First one, the logical addressing, gives each device a unique IP address, that is Internet Protocol address, to identify it on the network. Packetization breaks data into small packets for easy transmission. Host-to-host delivery sends packets from source device to the correct destination device. Forwarding passes packets through routers to reach the right network. And routing finds the best path for the packets to travel across the different networks. Fragmentation and reassembly splits large packets into smaller ones to fit the network and joins them again at the destination. Subnetting divides a large network into smaller parts for better management. And network address translation, that is NAT, converts private IP address to public ones for internet access and saves IP space. Now, how the network layer works. Every device gets a unique IP address to identify it on the network. Data from the transport layer is packed into packets with the sender's and receiver's IP address, and routers check the destination address and choose the best path to send the packet. Packet moves step by step through routers until they reach the destination. If a packet is too large, it is broken into smaller parts, fragments. At destination, all fragments are joined together to form the original data. If any problem occurs, like destination not reachable or any other problem occurs, ICMP protocol, that is Internet Control Message Protocol, sends an error message back to the sender. So ICMP used by the network devices like routers to send error messages and status information about network communication. Now ICMP main functions are error reporting, network testing, flow control and diagnostics. Now protocols at the network layer, there is Internet Protocol, IP version 4 and version 6, ICMP, ARP, Address Resolution Protocol, RARP, Reverse Address Resolution Protocol, and NAT, Network Address Translation. So IP version 6, there are two versions of IP address, that is version 4 and version 6, main protocol for addressing and routing. And ICMP sends error and status messages. ARP finds MAC address from IP address, and RARP is the reverse, that is finds IP address from the MAC address, and NAT, the network address translation, converts private IP address to public IP. Now there is a small homework, that's you have to find out the differences between the IP version 4 and IP version 6. Now advantages of this network layer, that is supports end-to-end communication and allows subnetting for the better network management, find efficient routes for the data transfer, connects different types of network. Limitations are also there. No flow control may cause congestion here. Limited error control relies on upper layers, and routers may drop packets under heavy load, and fragmentation add extra processing work. Now we have packet switching. Now packet switching sends data into smaller units called packets, and each packet has a header and payload. Payload is the data here, and packets travel independently through the network for using store and forward. They may take different paths to reach the destination. At the end, packets are reassembled into the original message and no fixed path is needed. This makes the communication efficient and flexible. Now, types of delays in the packet switching. One is transmission delay, propagation delay, queuing delay, processing delay, and end-to-end delay. Advantages and disadvantages of packet switching: efficient bandwidth, low delay, reliable, fault tolerant, cost effective. These are the advantages. And disadvantages: out of order delivery, needs sequence numbers, complex routers, possible delays, and not ideal for continuous data. Now we have two types of packet switching. One is connection oriented packet switching, and the other one is connectionless